Hi guys, we are going to create a new kind of print today. This is made with markers on top of aluminum foil, and this is one that I did of my robot. So you can see it turns out really interesting and kind of cool. So we're going to put that one here. And basically what I've done is I've wrapped a piece of aluminum foil around my printing plate. You don't need to glue it. You just set your printing plate down, face down on the aluminum foil, fold over one side, fold over the other side, and then just fold these down. That's it. And then when you flip it over, you can kind of see your design. And I've kind of rubbed this a little bit before I started, just like that, just so you could see the design. Next thing you guys are going to do is you're going to take some markers and you're just going to draw right on top of the aluminum foil, just like this. And you probably can't see, but I've already actually drawn on it. It looks like it's disappeared, but it hasn't. It's still there. So I'm only going to just do a little bit. So I've colored all of this. And you can choose whatever colors you want. You can do the entire print one color if you want. Now I've got green all up in here and it's hard to see. I used gray for the robot. You can use whatever color you want. That's probably why it's hard to see. I'm just going to draw. Again, kind of invisible, the gray is, since I'm doing it on silver. All right, and I've already actually done that. You can also take this and put this here. Do this however you want. Oh, do I have a thing here? I'm going to make like that. All right. Once the entire plate is full, and I've already done it, but it looks, what happens is it starts to look like it's disappearing, but it's still really there. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your piece of paper, and the very first thing I would do is write your name on the back in class code H5, W2, whatever it is. And what you're going to do, we're going to take this bowl of water and a sponge. You're going to wring the sponge out. We found that less water is better. Okay, so there's hardly any water on there. And you're just going to quickly take the sponge and just sort of gently wet the paper, and that's it. Then we're going to take this and we're going to lay it on top of our print. You want to lay it nicely. Take your hand, and my hand's a little wet, and you're just going to rub this. So just like this, rub the whole thing. I'm trying to use the heel of my palm. Oh, crud. I hope that didn't mess it up. Let's see, we'll see. So when you lift this up, when you peel it back, you've got this really cool print, and that's how you make it. And this is one that I did here, and you can do them however you want. Just be really careful with the water. Remember, less is good. And when you're finished, you can take this sponge, again, wash it off, and just wash this off with your sponge, and then take a paper towel. We'll all get paper towels, and you just wipe this off like this, and then you're ready for the next one. And that's it. These turn out really cool. These are like my favorite. I can't wait to see yours. All right, let's get started.